Summer is here, so am I, with a list of books that the business magnate Bill Gates recommends. Many people are inspired by Bill Gates for several reasons. But why I like this man is because this man promotes reading. So today I am here with a list of books that he recommends as summer reads. So without further ado, we are gonna start. But before moving forward, if you are new to my channel, welcome to Book Island. I am Juhi. I make book related content here. Please subscribe to stay connected and hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, it knocks your phone. Now let's get started with today's topic. The first book he recommends is The Choice by Edith Eva Eger. This book can act as a guide to processing trauma. When Eger was just 16 years old, she and her family were sent to Auschwitz. For those of you who don't know what Auschwitz is, Auschwitz was the largest concentration camp built by Hitler and his Nazi army. The next book he recommends is Cloud Atlas by David Mitchell. In Bill Gates' words, this book is a kind of book that makes you think. And you talk about this kind of books a lot and for long after you finish these type of books. The plot is little bit complex to explain. There are 6 interrelated stories that shows best and worst of humanity, and Bill Gates was totally engrossed by this book. Bob Iger's The Ride of a Lifetime is his next recommendation. According to him, it is one of the best business books he have ever read, and the book does a terrific job explaining how it's like to be a CEO of a large company. Bill Gates assures that Bob Iger's stories of overseeing Disney in its one of the most transformative times in its history are really enjoyable. The Great Influenza by John M. Barry is his next recommendation. I think this book is a perfect recommendation for the time we are going through, the pandemic I am talking about. Due to COVID-19, we all are going through a critical time. And if you are looking for a historical comparison, then 1918's influenza pandemic can be one. The book talks about one of the deadliest outbreaks of human history. Though the time of 1918 was different from us, but you can find several similarities between their time and our time. When you will finish the book, you will see that there are many challenges that we are going through right now. Humanity had already gone through them and overcome them, so there is still hope that we will also overcome. The final book he recommends is Good Economics for Hard Times by Abhijit V. Banerjee and Esther Duflo. We all know Abhijit V. Banerjee and Esther Duflo have won Nobel Prize for Economical Science. According to Bill Gates, these are 2 smartest economists working today, and they are very good at making economics accessible for average people. This book talks about inequality and political divisions, focusing on policy debates that are at the forefront of wealthy countries like United States. So these are some books that Bill Gates recommends that are perfect for summer reads. Among these books, I would like to recommend Cloud Atlas by David Mitchell. Cloud Atlas is an amazing book, I can assure that. So here we end today. That's all for today. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to stay connected. I shall be meeting you with another bookish video. Till then, bye bye.